morning students. Today I will tell you about factorization. Before to factorization, I will tell you two theorems, that is remainder theorem and factor theorem. So first of all, let us see what is remainder theorem. And before to remainder theorem, there is a basic idea of division, that is divisor, relation between divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. If there is a dividend, then dividend is written as divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, in algebra this is the basic of dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. For example, if you are dividing 4 by 3, okay, then 3 1s are 3 and the remainder is 1. This may be written as 4 equal, this one is the dividend equal divisor 3 into quotient 1 and plus remainder 1. Here the remainder is 1, divisor is 3, quotient is 1. So it is can be written as dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Once again I am taking another example, 7 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5, 7 minus 5 equal 2. So here is the remainder is 2, quotient is 1 and divisor is 5 and 7 is the dividend. This can also be written as 7 equal divisor into quotient and plus remainder. Divisor equal quotient into divisor plus remainder. So on the basis of this basic idea of division, we will tell you what is remainder theorem. The remainder theorem tells that if there is a polynomial, means dividend there is a polynomial and ये be any real number. Okay, so here what is remainder theorem statements? I am going to write here remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. If Px be a polynomial, and a be a real number, if it is divided by x minus a, then Px is divided by x minus a, and if there is a quotient 2x and r be a remainder, so if it is divided by Pa x minus a, then Pa is the remainder. This is the statement of remainder theorem. Once again see here, if Px is a polynomial and a be any real number, and if it is divided by x minus a, then Pa is the remainder. This is the statement of remainder theorem, and this whole can be also written as Px equal Qx into x minus a plus r. Since it is divided by x minus a, so putting x equal a in this, what we will get here, let x minus a equal to 0, then x equal to a. Putting x equal to a in this expression, you will get Pa equal to Qa multiply a minus a plus r. After simplifying, you will get here Pa equal to Qa into 0 plus r, that is Pa equal to r. So here you can see Pa is the remainder if the polynomial Px is divided by x minus a. Okay. Once again, see here, if Px is a polynomial and a be a real number, and if it is divided by x minus a, then Pa is the remainder. This one is the statement of remainder theorem. And to proof of this, you can see here, because this can be also written as Px equal Qx into x minus a plus r. By putting x equal to a in this expression, you will get Pa equal Qa into a minus a plus r. So P equal to Qa into 0 plus r, Pa equal to r. Here Pa is the remainder, which proves the remainder theorem. Now come to the factor theorem. Factor theorem. What is the statement of factor theorem? If Px be a polynomial, and a be a real number such that Pa equal to 0, then x minus a is the remainder. Once again, see here, Px is the dividend, and if it is divided by x minus a, suppose that Qx is the quotient and r is the remainder. But so it can be written as, and what is the condition is Pa equal to 0. This one the condition. This whole can be written as Px equal to x minus a into Qx plus r. Since it is divided by x minus a, so putting x equal to a here, Pa equal to a minus a into Qa plus r. A minus a 0, so this whole term is 0, so only we will get here r. And what is given in this theorem, Pa equal to 0, this one is the condition. If Pa equal to 0, then r equal to 0. This means remainder is 0. It means x minus a divides Px completely. That means you can say x minus a is a factor of Px. This is the factor theorem which proves the factor theorem. Now you have seen remainder theorem and factor theorem. What is the difference between remainder theorem and factor theorem? In remainder theorem, x minus a is a divisor and there r is a remainder. Pa is the remainder. It is not sure if Pa is a remainder which is 0 or maybe any other real number. But in factor theorem, it has given already Pa is 0, means it is confirmed the remainder is 0. Then x minus a is the definitely factor of Px and it will completely divide the given polynomial. This is the difference between remainder theorem and factor theorem. And I hope you are clear about remainder theorem and factor theorem. Okay.